Hello, good morning here. Today I got this Vauxhall Zafira 1.8. It's 2013. It's a petrol, yeah, 1.8. I'm going to show you guys how to change the battery. So basically it's very simple, yeah. This is the key blade. Okay, if you turn it around this side, yeah, make sure it's this side. Okay, you just push it like that. You use your thumb, yeah. You push it like that, it open, and then you just use a flat screwdriver like that. You very simple. You push it, and then the battery will come out. See, this is a CR2032 battery. CR2032 battery. It's very simple, yeah. This is a Vauxhall, so the battery going like that, yeah. This end going first, and then you just push it down like that. It's done. It's a Vauxhall Zafira 1.8. Very simple, isn't it? Yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you.